The paper has the star pattern put on it, but right now. Hey, what up guys, Paps Money Bags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. So once again, the box is too huge for the shot. I gotta admit, it looks kind of cool. You know, looking at it now. This one is open this time because my family. So my family ordered something online from like Old Navy or whatever. And although I had already told them that whatever box comes in with this tape is from Nike, I still opened the box. And oh, my information got stuck to that bag right there. Okay, oh, that's dark. Anyways, but today's shoe, or for today's unboxing, we have the SF Air Force One boot. So this one's not the SF Air Force One High boot. This one I got anyways, someone suggested in the last video for the boots, so the SF Air Force One High, that I should have done the gold club or club gold, I can't remember, colorway of the boot. But then when I did some research, turns out this is the box. Look at this huge box. Just look at this. Look at this. It wasn't the Air Force One High, it was the regular Air Force One or SF Air Force One boot. And instead of gold club, it was the wheat colorway of the boot, or the wheat take on the boot. So no big deal on the box. It's actually the same box, even just as large as the SF Air Force One High. I'm tired of saying this. I feel like I'm annoying you guys with saying the name so much. So I'm just gonna say the last boots and then the current boots. Go ahead and open this. Once again, just like in the last unboxing for the other boots, the paper has the star pattern put on it. But right now, okay, I don't know why the first impression I got looking at the boot was like, I just thought of bread, like bread, actual like sandwich bread. The suede finish on them reminded me of that. That was kind of funny. Okay, so they send the same box, and to make up for the space, you just put a piece of cardboard. But anyways, I honestly feel kind of weird with you guys because my family also opened this box, so they actually opened the shoe box as well. Because when I got home, they told me they liked my boots. So, but it's alright. I mean, either way, I hadn't seen the boot in person. Ooh. You know what? I like this colorway because it's kind of neutral. Like, it can really go with anything. Especially because they added black on it. So the black details, so the straps, which by the way, if you couldn't tell already, these don't come with the ropes, huge ass ropes around the ankle. Oh wait, oh, you can take it out. Oh, that's dope. That's actually pretty dope. Is it stretchy? It looks like it would be stretchy, but yeah, so you can take, actually, can I take both of them out? I don't know if I want to take the other one out. Oh, one detail right off the bat. We also got some writing on these, but before I actually start going through them, something about the touch, like they remind me of like a teddy bear. That's why I'm laughing, because they remind me of a teddy bear. I don't know why. The strap running through the back says Nike Air repeatedly, and it kind of loops. So like I was saying, we got pretty much the same thing that we had on the inside of the other one when you open up the zipper, except this time you have it on this upper strap, or on the upper belt like thing. Winterized issue footwear, type SF Air Force One, DPA, same numbers and codes that I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna take it off on this one. And this is something else that I really enjoy about this whole Air Force One boot take that Nike's been doing. So many options when it comes to wearing them. That's something that I like, so it makes it more unique to your own style. Now once again, these do come with lace hoops rather than a zipper, or no laces at all, or just ropes instead of laces. The last two are not necessarily the same as the others though. Now going on the inside, you have of course the Nike swoosh, and then the rest of the upper covered in, I was saying suede, and I gotta double check because I don't know if this is suede or is this the other material, because oh crap, this is too bright. Hopefully that's not as bright. So if you guys totally got blurry ass details while looking at this shot right here, I apologize. You also get those two openings over here and on the outside, just like in the other boots. You also have the toe box with a little bit of pores on this one. The bottom, again, just like any regular Air Force One shoe. Oh, and of course, the front of the tongue says Nike Air, and then SF Air Force One in this little black square that also connects once again to the back saying all the copyright stuff. Oh, wait. Oh, look at this. I didn't know. Oh, you press it like that. Or if I can, there you go, and then it stays like that, or if you want to, you can lift it up, and then you have your boot look something like that. Moving towards the insole though, you have Nike, I don't even know if you can see it right there. Well, it has Nike Air branding right below your heel, and once again, you do have the ability to put these things, actually you could even change it up, so you could have this strap or this belt on top, and you can have the other belt or strap at the bottom. Ooh, you see this? This is some fashion icon right here. And that's one of the things I love about these boots. The fact that they allow for you to just play around with them, wear them however you want. But yeah, right now, let's go ahead and see how it's look on feet.
Yo, Kiwi, thank you, bro.
But anyways, guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, oh, that's uneven. Hold up. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker or boot unboxings here on the channel. But anyways, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Pass money bags.